My name is Althea Wright, and I am a showroom host / receptionist. Well, it's usually something that's done on an ongoing basis, making sure that the customers have some snacks to snack on. Refreshments are always there. Cups and things like that are there for them to drink out of. Any supplies really, whether it be coffee, tea, just making sure it's all stocked up and the customers never have to come and ask for anything whatsoever. They just come and help themselves and make themselves at home in the lounge. Every day I come in here, I'm proud to be part of Heninger Toyota. I've never seen another dealership do so. It's just really great to see how much Heninger has become the kind of dealership that I've seen that caters to all cultures. People from all walks of life have been here and have felt welcome and get whatever they need in the way of a vehicle for their family or for their own personal needs or business. I think Heninger sticks out as like the kind of dealership you want to go to if you're looking for something yourself. I like the way it addresses different cultures, people from different walks of life, and yeah.